Hey, what do you say? What's the question of the day? I'm Professor Q, so glad to be with you today. Hey, I have a question. I wonder. That makes me think of one of my favorite things to talk about, inquiry. Inquiring minds want to know. Well, what do you want to know? Oh, well, that's a lot. But let's talk about the wonder tube. The wonder tube. That's right, this wonder tube. I wonder, how does this wonder tube work? Well, as you see, I have different color balloons on each side of the string. Blue, pink, red, and violet. What do you think would happen if I were to take the blue side of the string and pull it upwards? Oh, I think you might be right. Let's find out. Did you perhaps say that the pink might go up towards this wonder tube? Let's try it. A little bit like that. Well, what will happen if I pull the pink down? Ah, you're right. You're so smart. Let's try that again. All right. Well, Professor Q, that's nothing to wonder about. That's just like so simple. Well, let's wonder a little bit more. Or in other words, is inquiry. What do you think will happen when I actually pull the red balloon up? Oh, well, you think the same thing. Of course. Why not? The purple, the violet will remain as is. Let's find out. What just happened there? No, let's try that again. Well, maybe we should try pulling the purple, violet, down, and maybe that will make the red go up. Shall we? You were right. Maybe that was just a strange coincidency that happened. Let's try this again. The red goes up, and you think what will happen to the violet purple? Yes, just like that of what happened with the blue and the pink. Well, what do you think will happen when I pull the blue? Let's find out. Did you just see that? The red went right on top of the wonder tube. How did that happen? Well, let's try a little bit more and see what occurs. I'm going to try the pink. Let's try the pink, shall we? Oh, yeah. Pink goes down. What happened there? That was the red. Wait, the red was supposed to go up, but the pink went up? I wonder, oh no. Can you figure this out? I'll start to just play a little bit more with the wondering, and I want you to think of what could be internally designed in this wonder tube. So as I start to pull the different strings, your task is to see and actually wonder, make a question. What's the claim? What could be your evidence? And perhaps what could be the reasoning why? Well, your evidence could actually be the internal diagram of what you think is happening inside of this wonder tube. And then your reasoning, well, that's your justification of your explanation of your evidence. And the claim could actually be, well, a wonder question. Let's look at this again. I pull the red up, the violet goes towards the wonder tube. The blue, I pull up, the red goes towards the wonder tube. That's a lot of wondering going on. So that's your challenge for this task is make a claim. Go ahead and get your diagram for your evidence of what you think is going on in this particular wonder tube and provide me a justification. So I wonder what you're going to come up with. Now, have a great time with this task. And remember, good, better, best. Never let it rest till the good gets better and the better gets